Making money on Amazon is easy if you follow these steps. If you want to make money on online from home in 2025, so this video for you. I will show you step-by-step tutorials how you can find the best product on Amazon, how we can create the video that's been product URL to video, and where you can get the viral product that's been trending product. So if you are a student, if you are a job holder, or if you are a housewife, and if you want to start a side hustle, and if you want to make money from home, I believe this video will help you a lot. And the number one step is you have to create a YouTube channel. Okay, so you have to set up and customize your YouTube channel, and also you can create TikTok account and Instagram and Facebook as well. And the second step is we are going to find best product that's been the trending product using Collar data. Okay, this is the website where we can find the Amazon top trending products, also the TikTok products. Okay, so this is the TikTok trending products. Like this one is a top 1, top 2, top 3. So let's see when to promote this product. Okay, so just open this product and you will find the details about this product, so you can copy the text. So this is the second step, and the third step is go to Amazon, okay, and paste the text and you can search. Okay, so this one, so click on that and you will find the lots of products like this, and this time we have to find the best selling product. So how you can find the best selling product? It's really amazing. So just go back to featured at the right corner and you will find a click on best sellers, and all the best sellers are up here, and also you can leave as it is featured. Scroll down and check it out. You will see 1k bought in past month and total review is 14k reviews. Okay, scroll down, you will see the number of products, 3517 reviews, 2k plus reviews, it's a 10k plus reviews. Okay, so let's see this one. Okay, so let's open this product. Okay, so this is the final product that we want to promote through YouTube or other social media videos. Okay, so we need videos, that as I said, so we want to promote through the video. Okay, so how we can create the video? Also you will see the images and the videos over here. So many of you just commenting and asking me that is this okay to download this video and publish? Okay, so I highly recommend to not to use this kind of videos because it's a brand video. Okay, so this is not your video or this is not your generated video. So always skip this kind of images and videos. Always try to create something new and something unique images and videos. Okay, the final stage is we have to create the video using the Amazon product link. So this is the product link. Let's copy the product URL. Okay, and just go back to alright. So before jump into the next step, maybe you are thinking how much money you can make if you promote this product. Okay, alright, so go back to Collar data again and you will find that this product, okay, revenue 830k revenue. Okay, items sold 24k items sold plus. Okay, so it's a brand name Halara US. Okay, 2.36 million. Okay, only using this kind of images and videos, this kind of products. Also lots of products there. Okay, so this is the number one product. Also you can look out this top 2, top 3 and many more. Okay, so visit this website and just find the top creators or top product, so you can get bunch of ideas from here, and then you can find the product, same product on Amazon as I showed you that, and then create the AI video. So how you can create the AI video? Okay, the viral question. Okay, so let's go back to use a tools. It's called adsdoc.ai. so it's a AI tools, adsdoc.ai. one click to generate viral videos for your e-commerce product. Okay, so you can generate the product from URL. So I will show you how you can generate. So here you can see they support TikTok shop, Amazon product, Shopify and many more. Okay, and also you can create this kind of videos. So let's copy again the Amazon URL and go back to adsdoc.ai and then paste the URL over here and then click on generate. All right, so only 3 steps. Product info is script avatar. We are right now product info. That's mean they grab the product name. That's mean that this name, product title, product name. All right, and this is the product description that already collected from this product, and these are the images from the Amazon. All right, I think you got it. All right, and the most important, target audience. So you can select here or you can write it here. All right, like tech enthusiast, gamer, student, teacher, parent, freelancer, small business owner. Okay, so I think you can leave it as it is and click on next. All right, and the input is script. This AI tool generated AI script. I think 4 scripts over there. So which one you like? So I think the call to action, this one is perfect, so click on next. All right, and the third stage is avatar. That's mean you can choose an avatar. Okay, it's a Elicity, Joy Home, Molly, Ava, and Sandy. These are the AI generated avatar, so you can choose. Scroll down and you will find the others. So this is the time, choose a video template. So these are the styles. That's been how the audience or viewers can see these videos. Okay, so you can pick any one of them. So I'm going to select this one. I think this one is perfect. Select the avatar again, and you can select the background music. Okay, and also the subtitle. Okay, so right now by default it's a captions style and highlights. So I think this one is perfect. Okay, or this one, I think this one is perfect. Okay, and the position. Okay, so you can select the subtitle position. So everything is perfect. So video template is okay, avatar, music, subtitle. So let's click on render. All right, so upgrade your free plan to export video without watermarks. So you can upgrade. So I'm not going to upgrade, so let's click on export. All right guys, our video is rendering. Estimate 5 minutes it will take, and you will see the my video section. Your all generated video comes up here, and also you can edit from here, and then you can download again. Okay, so I will show you the final results. So let's see. Alright guys, so finally our video is ready. So this is the video, so let's play the video.
Hey fashionistas, you've got to try Sunzel leggings. No front seams, just comfort and style. 80% nylon, 20% spandex, perfect blend for stretch. Gentle wash, low dry, easy care. Crossover waist hugs your curves just right. Buttery soft, feels like a second skin. Squat proof, stays in place, no rolling down. Flared legs adds a chic touch to your look. Get these leggings and step out in comfort and flair.
So what do you think? So you can say it as a bottom, top, middle, anyway. So let's download the video. Alright guys, it's downloading now. Okay, alright guys, so this is how you can create product video, Amazon product or Shopify product or TikTok shop product. And finally you have to upload it to your YouTube channel. You have to add SEO title and also add some description, and finally you can promote the product link, that's mean the affiliate link. Okay, so how we can find the Amazon affiliate link? So let's go back to Amazon. So let's open Amazon Associates. Okay, so you must have to sign up. Okay, so recommend products earn commission. So sign up, recommend, earn, that's mean, and then recommend. How we can recommend? That we have done, that's mean you have to follow these 4-5 steps, and then you have to produce the video, and then you can share with your YouTube or other social media platform, and then you can earn commission. And how we can find the affiliate link? Once your Amazon associate is approved, then you can find each and every product's link, that's been Amazon link, and then you can add into your YouTube video description. And when people watches your video, and if they are interested to buy this product, they will visit your description and they will click and they will purchase. Okay, and then you can earn commission. So you can earn up to 10%. Okay, it's depend on the categories of product. I think you got it. So this is how you can make money. This is the one of the easiest way. So, and follow these steps, and consistently you have to create the video, that's mean the product video, and you have to promote. Okay, so if you find this video is helpful, comment below, and if you have any queries, please let us know. So till then, have a good day and see you in the next video.